Are you supposed to multiply the matrix, or are you just supposed to leave it as 2?
No, you leave it as All right, let's start recording.
We did.
Okay, excellent. All right, so now example 2. If I give you a matrix A, and matrices are usually given by capital letters. So matrix A will be the following matrix. It'll be 13, 10, I'm giving the first row here, 13, 10, negative 3, and 45. The second row will be 2, 8, 15, and 80. And this is going to be an easy example because the only question is, what are the dimensions? What are the dimensions of this matrix?
2 by 4.
What is it?
2 by 4.
2 by 4. Yes, absolutely. 2 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So 2 by 4. Yes. That's it. Okay, that's one of the things you're going to be asked to do on the homework is give the dimensions. That's why we're going to move through this particular section quickly, because it's nothing real difficult. We're just introducing stuff. So a new note: elements of the matrix. We will use the lowercase of the matrix name to talk about individual elements. When I say elements, 10 is an element of matrix A. 2 is an element of matrix A. And we have to be able to talk about which element we're talking about. This is going to be very close to finding a point on a graph. You have to be able to give directions on how to get there. We're going to give directions on how to get to a particular element of a matrix. So we'll use the lowercase version of the letter. So for this one, we use lowercase a. And we will use subscripts with the row first, the column second. And that is how we will identify the particular element of a particular matrix.
By row first,
Column second.
Do you mean like row is the base and then the...
I mean row, like this is row 1,
Oh.
this is row 2, this is column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. Okay? Does that help?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So let me just give you
Yeah,
a
I
quick
don't know.
example.
I'll see it.
Yeah, seeing it will help quite a bit. If I give you matrix A as 7, 11, 2, 8, 5, 4, 10, 1, 9, 3, 6, 12. This 3 by 4 matrix. Okay? And I ask you, what is element A sub 1, 2? Element A 1, 2.
That's not 12, it's 1, 2.
It's 1, 2. 1 for the row,
Mm-hmm.
2 for the column.
What if it was bigger than just...
Then we would use a semicolon or some other way to separate it. Probably a semicolon.
Probably choose a semicolon to separate those two. But,
So you would go down first and then over.
Go to the row first. And remember, rows move from left to right.
Right, so it's in the first row,
Yup.
second column.
Which
So-
makes it 11. Right.
So what I mean by you go up or down first, like it's it's row 1. If it was row 2, you would go down.
Down. Yes, I see what you're saying.
Right.
Yep, absolutely. Yep. So, I was going to give you another one, but does that help, or do we want another one before we start the examples?
Another one.
Just another one? Okay. Let's have matrix B then. And matrix B will have different dimensions. It'll be 3, 9, 12, and 5, 10, 15, and 8, 7, 6, and 11, 13, 1, and 14, 2, 14. And tell me then what element B32 is. B32.
7.
It is 7. 1, 2, 3, 2. Element B32 is 7. Is this making sense to everybody? Anybody real lost on this? Oh, we good?
Wait.
Okay.
I'm gonna copy it down and then ask about
Okay. We're going to do 2 real quick examples with this, and then we'll be done.
Do you write it as like C equals 1 or whatever?
Like C sub something equals.
Like whatever variable equals.
We're not.
Because it's like the value of B32 or 32. So
Right,
it's like
but we're not using B as a variable. We're using B to reference the fact that we're talking about in matrix B.
So if the answer is 7, do we just write 7?
Right.
There's no equal sign.
Well, between the B sub 32 and the 7, you can put an equal sign, absolutely. But make sure you've got the sub numbers there. Yes, Emily.
So how do you get which number is it?
The first number tells you which row to look at. The second number tells you which column. So 1, 2, 3. So I'm looking at this row. The second column, 1, 2. So right there.
So it's not 32. It's like
No, it is not 32. It is
Okay.
3, 2.
Okay.
Okay. Let's have an example here. This will be example 3. Let me give you matrix C as 2, 5, 3, 3, 4, 1. And let me ask you to find C sub 2, 3. C sub 2, 3. Christina. What's that? I cannot hear
I
you.
know the answer.
Right, so tell me.
1.
1. Anybody else? Anybody not understand why it's 1? 1, 2, second row, third column. 1, 2, 3, 1, right there. So 1. And a final example, then we'll be done. Example 4, let me give you matrix D, which is a really big matrix. 25, 11, 4, 1, 20, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13, 17, 6, 15, 18, 2, 22, 16, 21, 24, 19, 5, 23, 3, 14, and 10. There's our giant matrix. It is, what's the dimensions of that one?
You didn't write the oh, okay. I'm sorry. 20. Whoops.
Wait,
wow,
oh,
wow,
wait.
wow. 5 by 5.
Oh, I just looked.
5 by 5, yes.
I almost said 25.
Five.
I literally multiplied it. And I'm doing way more than I'm
Yeah,
asked.
5 by 5.
I was looking ahead at the other side.
Oh, okay. And I would like you to find element D sub 5, 4.
14. Yeah.
5, 4. 14.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. D sub 5, 4 is 14.
Oh my god, I didn't write the answer.
I feel like it would be easier if you just like. Well, I mean, I get it now. Like, if you just put like a decimal between the two numbers.
Put a decimal. 'Cause that's-
Typically, that's not done until you start getting into double-digit numbers and stuff like that. And honestly, I don't remember how they separate them at that point. But I want to point out something. You guys have seen matrices before. Where have you seen them? What does this look like?
To be fair, to be completely honest, it looks like a game of Connect Four.
Especially if you had little boxes around each one. Little boxes around each one.
Bingo.
A number chart, but in a computer. What does this look like? If I remove the brackets and put little rectangles around each number.
Is it Sudoku? What do you think we do with computers? Because I don't think we know.
Okay, let me try something. Okay, I'll try it with one of the small ones. I'm gonna remove these. I'm gonna put little boxes around each one.
It still looks like a prison.
And then I'm going to number these ones like this and letter these ones. What is that?
A nonogram?
It's a spreadsheet.
We don't do
You
spreadsheets.
guys don't do spreadsheets.
Why
You
would
at
I do-
home better be
I
doing
mean-
spreadsheets.
I do spreadsheets
for
on my
artist
like-
ones where they're like,
You thrive in the 1900s.
what row, what character.
Spreadsheets are
that's
still
in.
extremely important.
Yeah, that.
I
That's
had to do one in
literally.
AP bio.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's all.
You're-
It's not a spreadsheet.
And it was to do stuff with data that you have collected, right? That's why spreadsheets were created, to do things with data. And they do it in the way that matrices do them. Spreadsheets are one variation of matrices in computers, the most popular, the most used version of matrices in computers. At least in everyday life. In computer science, they have a lot of other ways, but yes, spreadsheets are matrices. That's what they are. So, your homework, which you can start on now, except if you're at home, because I haven't posted this yet. Your homework is from the study guide 4-1. It is all the problems front and back. Front and back, because it covers everything that way. So, get started. I'll be around to help, except for you guys at home who don't get to have my personal help. You'll have to come on a Tuesday or a Thursday.
Who's cold? Who is cold? Who am I talking to? Dell.